Imagine yourself in this Lincoln 2013 MKZ Hybrid. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, paired with a sporty manual transmission. Enjoy these notable features: navigation system, equipment group 2038 preferred, technology package, 11 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, MP3 decoder, radio data system and radio, Lincoln premium sound system with single CD MP3. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.